Another day, another BRZ. As you can tell from the title, I did buy another BRZ and I want to show it to you guys because this BRZ is a little special. And I do want to make a disclaimer that this is not the LS3 BRZ replacement. This is simply my daily. So I wanted to introduce you guys my new 2017 BRZ Performance package. So that means this has the performance sock dampers, the Brembo brakes. What makes this car special is under the hood, and no, it's not an LS, I wish, but it has a turbo. As some of you know, I do plan on turbocharging the silver BRZ, but this came up as such a good deal. My plan was to originally flip it, but I decided on the way home from driving it from California, I decided, well, what the hell, I'll just keep it. This thing drives absolutely phenomenal. I'll have the build list all on the screen right here, but it is a JDL turbo kit with a JDL oil cooler with a Varus air oil separator, Varus clutch fork, South Bend stage 3 clutch. And I've had the car for maybe a couple weeks and I've already installed the cold air intake. Now this is a 3D printed cold air intake. Now if you guys are interested, I'll leave a link down in the description below. And if you guys want it printed, shoot me a DM on Instagram and I could help you guys out. But this intake before would sit right here and it would suck in all that hot air from this turbocharger. Now it sucks in all the air from right here. Now I do want to make a little duct system through here, the fog light, maybe remove the fog light and make a cold air intake duct, but that'll be for the future as this is still a daily driver. But I do want to make this car as pristine as possible and make sure it drives solid. Now the only issues right now is that obviously the grill's off. It is super common for the grill to come off as these little tabs hold them in, same as the Scion FRS. So I just kicked it in and took it out. Plus it allows for a little bit better airflow through the intercooler. The front timing cover and oil pan is leaking. That is a quick fix with RTV. So that'll be for another day, but it's not a super bad oil leak. We got a nice Optima red top battery there, so very solid. But overall, I'm super happy with this purchase. I don't plan to do anything crazy. If anything, I'll still revert it back to stock. But in the garage, we have the FRS. We just got done with the cam phaser job, as doing the cam phaser on the early model FRS BRZs is a super common issue. And we also did the timing cover reseal job, as that is, well, like all three of my BRZs have that problem. So right now it is really filthy. So right now we're gonna give it a nice wash with my wall mounted pressure washer by Giraffe Tools. Huge shout out to Giraffe Tools for sending me out this pressure washer. This thing, I absolutely love it. If you guys want one for yourself, link in the description below and use my code Caden to get yourself 10% off. This thing is absolutely awesome. I use this thing like every day when it comes to cleaning the driveway or all my cars. Also got a nice IRP short shifter. I love the sound of this car. So a cool thing about this car is that this is running the exact same exhaust setup and turbo setup that I would be running in the silver BRZ. Same turbo kit. The front pipe, over pipe, and catback is the exact same to the silver car. So this is essentially what the car would sound like if I just put the turbo kit on the silver car. So my plans for this car is, like I said, a daily driver, nothing too crazy. I do want to keep modifying it just to make it a little more my taste. Nothing too crazy. The silver car is for crazy stuff. So let's go for a ride and I'll show you guys around. So a cool thing about the facelift BRZ, so if you don't know, 2013 to 2016 BRZs is pre-facelift, so the silver BRZ is pre-facelift, and this is facelift. So what's different about it is the steering wheel controls, the head unit, and everything is layered in leather and everything's padded. Everything in the interior is just a lot nicer. And since this is the limited BRZ, we get an LCD screen for the gauge cluster, so that's probably one of my favorite parts about the facelift BRZ. Also, you get updated headlights, updated taillights, and a front bumper change. The only thing I don't like about this front bumper is that there's very limited lip options. Compared to the pre-facelift BRZ bumper, there are so many lip options. There's STI, C-West, Greddy, Basin R, and Icon Motorsports sell many lips. There's CS, I know that for a fact, but this one there's really like 2 or 3 different lip options that look different from each other. So we're gonna pick up Jenna right now. and she's gonna film for you guys. Alright guys, so I think this is gonna have to wrap it up for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know this was a pretty short video, but I wanted to show you guys the new car. I don't really have crazy plans for it. I do want to do some track days with it, maybe some autocross, do some content with it, maybe change the brakes out, something simple. But yeah, I love this car. It sounds great, handles great, hits boost pretty well. But next up, I think I'm gonna have to get a turbo blanket because it is very hot out. It's about 120 degrees out and I can feel the car heat soak a little bit. So yeah, that's gonna have to be for next time. So with that guys, I'll see you in the next one.